So today I'm starting a pretty cool project. I hope it's going to be cool. It's going to be a fleur-de-lis mosaic, if it works out. Now I know this has been done. My buddy Steve Schwarzer is the one I got this from, learned from. I had somebody, a good friend, print these for me. And it is a plant-based 3D print. And this will turn to carbon, it'll all go away, and the two metals will fuse. I've got a nickel powder and a just straight up 1084. I hope that's enough contrast. I maybe should have got some 1095. That's what I normally do, but I didn't have any. But I want to make sure this will work, and if it don't, it'll be a little costly. Either way, if it works out, I'm going to band the sides with something like a twist pattern and make a knife with it. I got a knife project in mind, but first I want to see if I can get this billet to work. Now I've got the billet all welded up. You see me put the powder in the form here. I got the nickel powder in the 3D print and the regular 1084 on the outside. And I've got the can welded up. I put actually two holes. You saw me drill one. And then I put the white paint in there, which has titanium oxide in it, and that'll help keep the billet from sticking inside the can because I don't want it to be a part of the billet. I have a feeling this is not going to be too great, but Steve Schwarzer can do it, but I'm not Steve Schwarzer yet. Okay, it's not that bad, but it is kind of what I expected, just not enough contrast in there. Using 1084 and then 1084 with 4% nickel is just not enough. I wish I'd had some 1095 because this stuff really works and I'm pretty impressed with it. It's crisp, it's not muddy. I'm going to salvage the billet. It's not what I wanted as far as contrast, but I'd still like to salvage it. I'm not going to put a very elaborate mosaic bars on the side because it's just not enough contrast to make it worth that much of, of a knife. But I am going to put a handle on it, draw it out into about 1 inch by 1.5 inches, something like that. And I'm going to put some separation bars in there, 15 and 20 and 1084, and draw out a billet horizontally. We'll make a knife with it. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that 3D printed material. It's not muddy, it's pretty crisp. I like it. Houston, we have a problem. We have a complete failure. The billet is all cracked up. And I'm gonna tell you why that happened. It's not having a very good forge weld from the very beginning. And if you press too cold, that'll happen too. But from what I can tell, this is definitely not a good weld. There may be some cold pressing in there too, but I wasn't being too aggressive, but apparently aggressive enough. I don't know if any of it's salvageable, but I will grind it down and see. But right now, I'm ready to throw it in the corner. Now, I could have just started another video and not shown this, but I just want to be, up front and show you that these are kind of failures you can have. And I have them too. Everybody does. And like I said, some of it's probably being too aggressive, but I will do this again. I will get me some 1095 and I will let it soak longer. I know my mentor right now is probably watching this video going, I told you, stupid, let it soak. When you think you've got it hot enough, let it go another 10 or 15 minutes. And that's exactly what Steve preaches. But I know it works, and we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna do it right. But I hope you got something out of this. I'll show you a close-up of it. I wanna thank you for watching and thank my patrons, and we'll see you on the next one.